Hi, this is Jerome Joseph live in Jakarta. I'm here working with a global brand on their brand strategy. Often I get called in to work with different organizations all around the world, and I see one very common problem. That problem is that brands tend to be very focused on tactics. A lot of them don't spend a lot of time from a strategy perspective. They go straight into execution. Now that can be disaster for your brand, because without insight, without data, without a strategic plan, how can you reach the goal of your vision, a goal for success for your brand? So when it comes to strategic planning, I'm going to give you 3 tips. The first tip is this: start by looking at everything around you in your environment. Start by analyzing your competition. Start by analyzing your environment. Start by analyzing your segments, your audience. Do that very well. Number 2, every time you plan, when it comes to strategy, always look forwards, but also keep looking backwards. Why? Because there's a lot that we can learn from best practices. Also, there's a lot we can learn moving forward. The third thing is, make sure you get a roadmap and get everyone on board your plan. If you have a strategy and have a plan, make sure that the entire team dives in to understand what is so important about the strategy and understand how they can now move into tactics in executing the strategy. So my name is Jerome Joseph, and I wish you success in building a world-class brand.